It's currently 19th of January. It is Epiphany Day in Ukraine. So what is special about this day? It is said that water becomes holy on this day. So people bless themselves by sprinkling with water, by drinking water or swimming in water. We went to the lake, we went to water to bless ourselves, to have some nice dive into this icy water. I'm so proud of my boyfriend that he swam today. I didn't expect it to be so fast, but I filmed that. I'm not a newbie to that. I used to swim in autumn and winter, and I know what is frequently freezing water feels like. I remember first times when I swam, it was a lot of snow on these days. Like all people are going and saying, oh, it's so cold, but I just swam in this icy water and I realized it's not cold comparing to icy water. When you just go outside, it's not that cold. Actually, I myself freeze a lot. I always have like cold feet and cold arms, and I guess diving into water gives some understanding that it's okay to feel cold, and cold is our friend, not enemy. It's a nice recipe to be younger forever. Highly recommend to swim in icy water. It feels amazing afterwards and you won't repeat that. Of course, the first feeling when you came out of water is not really pleasant because the whole body gets numb. You can't feel your legs and hands, and but you need to exercise. This feeling will be gone soon and I'll be fine. That was the first time we took the jars with water outside at midnight. They stayed the whole night and in the morning we took them back. Now we have this holy water for a few days to drink. Today we're gonna make Seitan. Seitan is pure protein. It's made from wheat, so it's gluten, it's pure gluten. I made a marinade for that, so it's been the whole night in the marinade, and now I'm going to cook it on the pan. It's gonna be tomato based. So today I did another entrance practice, wind up. It's a beautiful one to end your day. Sweet dreams, everybody. 2 practices of yoga journey are waiting for me tomorrow. So I need to get enough sleep and be ready for tomorrow.
Everyone who's wanting to just take some time to wind down, be cool, stay cool, and find what feels good. So definitely take a moment to hop into some comfy clothes and let's get started.